Yes, who is at the door? Call me, please. Come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, young man. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How may I help you?
Okay, sir, I'm here for the job interview.
Job interview.
Yes,
You
sir.
can have your seat, young man.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, let me have your CV.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Wow. Are you Son Mighty?
Yeah, my name is Almighty.
Okay. That's okay. Yeah. Um, okay. Going through your CV, you're really qualified for this job, exception of one thing.
Oh, sir, but I need this job so much. Please, can you give me the opportunity? I strongly believe that if I'm an employee here, I'm going to take this company to a global standard.
Yes, young man, we know. But the condition of the company is the company needs a graduate of 25 years in age and 15 years working experience. But looking at the CV here, we are only just 27 years and 3 years working experience. So it doesn't match with the condition of the company, young man.
But, sir, come to think of it, how can a graduate of 25 years have 15 years working experience? When do you finish primary school? When do you finish secondary school? And when do you even write jam and finish your head and start working? I don't think that's a possible, sir.
Young man, we are not here to decide things for my company. We are not here to decide anything here. That is a company standard.
But, sir, I need this job, sir. Just help me out, sir.
That's the standard of the company, as you can
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi
But I
bá
need this
mi.
job, please.
see. Young man, we are not here to decide things or neither to be the standard of the company. We have to leave my office immediately. We are not here to
What?
decide things for me. So stand up and leave my
Wetin be
office.
this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Leave my office, young man.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Leave my office immediately, else I will call the security for you. Get out of my office, young man.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
This one, the Scorpion. Hello? Hello, Scorpion. Yeah, I know that. I went for a job interview. Boss, bro, I did fix like this, I did ball like this. I came for a job interview. There's one human, one human like this that said that I need to have a 15 years working experience before you can give me a job. See, yeah, I know him face now. I know him very well. I don't mark him face now. He stay as a number 3, Samuel Street. Bro, we need to teach him a lesson now. We need to design his back now. See, what you need to do now, arrange 20 boys for me. No, we treat him for come now. How can he tell me that I need to have 15 years working experience and throw my CV? Who does that? Who they coach him now? Who are you now? Who teach you now? Where you come from now? Bro, they come like this now. Just gather 20 boys for me to join me and you. Then we need to treat him for come now. Which kind of nonsense is this now? Are they fake like this? This man just come to my territory to challenge me in my own town. He's stranger for that matter. Who calls him now? Bro, they come. Don't waste your time. Just wait for me for that junction. Now they come. Okay, no problem. Wait for me for that junction. Now they miss you now. We could treat him for publicity. But they come.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hello, sir. Sir, please, don't go. You are qualified for the job. You are qualified for the job. In fact, if you don't mind, you can start the work now. In fact, I will double your salary. You are qualified for the job. Don't go, please. Don't go.
Wait.
Young man, I will double your salary.
Wait a minute. I want to ask you, are you not the one that just said that I need to have 15 years experience?
That is what I'm saying. You are qualified for the job, young man.
See, I'm not interested in your job.
No.
See, don't
Young man, please, I'm sorry. Sorry. You are qualified. I will double your salary.
See,
I will double your salary.
I don't need your job.
No, please.
I go meet you for that
Please,
junction.
young man, no. Please, young man.
Come on for my bed.
Young man, please,
I could
please.
go see you. I could go see you.
Young man, please.
Which kind of
You are qualified for the job. I will double your salary.
See, Mr. Man, I go meet you for that junction.
Please, young man, please.
Shebi, now you the right that.
Please, young
That
man.
now.
Young man,
Come on for my page, Jerry.
I'm sorry, young man. Please, don't go. You are qualified for the job.
Come on for
You
my
are
page
qualified
now.
for the job, young man.
I don't need your job.
Please.
15 years experience.
Please,
you
young
there.
man, please.
15 years experience. Kill you
Please.
there. You are not
Please.
serious. Come for my face.
Oh, Jesus.
I go see you.
I don't enter trouble. I don't enter the hand of you, man. Oh, Scorpion. Scorpion know they do someone small thing go. Hi. Jesus Christ. Oh, Scorpion don't finish me. Hey. In fact, I didn't even feel like dying today. What is the agents of going out in the street? I've been hearing about these boys on the street. Hi. I don't mean
Emotional damage.
Sorry. God, no. In fact, it's like I will resign from this job.
I am
Oh.
too much.
God of mercy.
Earlier we realized.
Hey, Scorpion.
Every one of
I've been hearing about this boy. I did not know it is one of them coming to my office to seek for a job. Huh? I didn't mean I know I would have given you that job.